Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make this off-shoulder bell sleeve. Yes, this is a trumpet sleeve, but it's an off-shoulder sleeve. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve that. So if this is what you're interested in, then keep watching. Let's go. Okay, so I'll follow my 5 again to 2. This is the right side, this is the 2. So now the allowance we have here is we have 17. That's what we're going to use. And that's selected. So and our full length is 21. So we're going to use here this 1 inch here for our folding. So what we'll do, we know our off shoulder. So we'll come down by 5. This is the cape of the sleeve. We'll mark our 5. Now remember we did -5, the off shoulder. So this is the 5. We're going to add 1 inch for sewing. So this is now on this place we cannot just connect like this. We have to check our armhole is we're using 8.5, then we'll add 1 inch. That is so we use our curve ruler and connect it this way. We make a curve like this. So this is what we have. Now remember this is not just a small thing. This is now from here now we're going to take our like this. So this is what will give us that funnel shape we need. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cut this one. So we're going to, this is 2 sleeves. We open it up here. Open it up here. So this is what we have for our sleeve. Now we're going to cut out the distance. So we get our piece like this. This is the right side. We fold it like this. And fold it again. We're working with the width. The width of 1.5. Let's use 2. So after sewing, so We will get our sleeve. This is our sleeve. Put it together this way. Then we get our band. Put it together this way. Put it like this. Then take out the edges. So we do same thing to this. Then we use this one to mark out this. We want to reduce the wideness. Is it? I'm going to take it to the machine and sew it to the. So this is what first thing I'm going to do is to get this. This is the right side. You sew it on it like this. Yeah, so to the next thing to do, bend it over and stitch. This is what we have. Next thing is to how to fold the side, hem the down side. And now we added 1 inch for hemming. So I'm done hemming it. Next thing I'll do is to shape it out. Now since this is a funnel sleeve, I'll just shape it to this. Just use 1 inch. Armhole we marked out before. We marked out um, 9, 8.5. I'm going to stitch it here. So we turn it. So all you have to do is to do the same thing to the other sleeve, and that's it. This is how to sew your off-shoulder trumpet sleeve. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Hope you like this video. Was it helpful? Let me know in the comment section. So this part is where I'm fixing the sleeve to the dress. I have a video, a detailed tutorial on how I made this gown, and in that tutorial that's where you see how I fix the sleeve to the gown. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.